In this video, we're about to uncover an absolute game changer in the world of portable gaming. Get ready to be blown away by the Lenovo Legion Go gaming handheld. Trust us, you won't want to miss a single moment of this video. We've got some exciting surprises in store that you won't be able to guess. So, stay with us, and let's dive deep into this extraordinary device. Let's kick things off by getting an overall feel for this gaming handheld. The Lenovo Legion Go is a real game changer in the world of portable gaming. Its 8.8-inch Lenovo PureSight display is a sight to behold. With a 144Hz refresh rate, it ensures buttery smooth visuals, and the crisp 2560 into 1600 resolution delivers vibrant, detailed imagery. This display isn't just eye candy, it's a gateway to immersive gaming experiences. The Legion Go's powerful performance is a result of its AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, built on Zen 4 architecture. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it's a computational powerhouse. The base clock of 3.3 GHz and a boost clock up to 5.1 GHz make it excel in multitasking and demanding games. Accompanied by a Radeon RNA 3 iGPU with 12 compute units, this gaming device handles any game with ease. Gamers know the value of fast and ample storage. The Lenovo Legion Go offers two options: a 512GB M2 SSD or a capacious 1TB M2 SSD, both operating on the lightning-quick PCIe 4.0 interface. But that's not all. It features a micro SD card slot, supporting up to a staggering 2 TB, so you can keep your gaming library vast and diverse without worrying about space. The 8.8-inch display is a masterpiece. It boasts a 16:10 aspect ratio, which is great for gaming and productivity. The resolution of 2560 into 1600 and coverage of 97% of the DCI-P 3-color gamut ensure that you experience rich and accurate colors. With a peak brightness of 500 nits, every detail stands out vividly. This display is more than just a screen. It's a portal to your gaming fantasies. While we can't provide specific benchmark results just yet, you can expect top-notch performance. The 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, running at a lightning-fast 7500 MT per second, ensures smooth multitasking. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 guarantees lag-free online gaming and seamless connectivity with other devices, putting you at the forefront of the gaming world. Lenovo has gone the extra mile with the software. The dedicated Legion Space button is a game changer. It allows you to customize performance settings, manage thermals, adjust power modes, and dive deep into RGB customization. With this level of control, you can fine-tune your gaming experience to perfection. One of the key highlights of the Lenovo Legion Go is its detachable controllers. These peripherals are a true innovation. They enable you to seamlessly switch between traditional gaming controls and a mouse-like experience, offering versatility for various game genres. It's a remarkable touch, especially for those who want to dominate in their favorite FPS games without compromising on precision. The Legion Go doesn't just excel in performance, it's incredibly versatile in terms of connectivity. With a 3.5mm audio jack, a micro SD card reader supporting up to 2 TB, USB 4.0 ports, and an additional USB 4.0 port at the bottom, it's capable of accommodating all your gaming peripherals, external storage devices, and much more. It's a testament to adaptability. For gamers who enjoy Android gaming, Lenovo has you covered. You can easily download the Amazon App Store or other game platforms through the Microsoft Store. This seamless integration of Android gaming expands your horizons and gives you more gaming options on this exceptional device. While the price point isn't always everyone's favorite topic, it's a significant factor in choosing a gaming handheld. The Lenovo Legion Go offers exceptional value for its features, especially considering its larger screen, detachable controllers, and top-tier performance. You can currently pre-order this gaming powerhouse and secure your place in the future of gaming on the go. That brings us to the end of our in-depth journey into the Lenovo Legion Go gaming handheld. We've uncovered some remarkable features that set this device apart. But we're not done just yet. Make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Critic channel so you won't miss our upcoming videos. We've got comprehensive benchmarks, exciting gaming tests, and much more on the horizon. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Lenovo Legion Go, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. We're eager to hear what games you're most looking forward to playing on this incredible device and which features have you the most excited to elevate your gaming adventures. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay tuned for more tech exploration.